Namaskar. You are again welcome in online classes of mathematics subject. We are discussing about trigonometric ratios, and in this chapter we are discussing exercise 6.1. As in the last classes we have constructed the table for different angles, and by using that table means for different type of angle we have solved the question before 15. It means we have solved from question 1 to 14 by using the values of trigonometric ratios from the table. Today we will discuss the next part, and in the next part we have the question as given on the board. Prove that question number 15, cosec square 45 degree, sec square 30 degree, and sin cube 90 degree and cos 60 degree, and the multiplication all these functions is equal to 4 by 3. We have to prove. Then first, question number 15 from LHS. From LHS, that is given as cosec square 45 degree, sec square 30 degree, sin cube of 90 degree and cos 60 degree. That is given as, and we have to prove that the left side will be equal to 4 by 3. That is the right side of the given question. Okay. Then first we have to substitute all the values of trigonometric ratios. As we know that what is the values of cosec. Here you can see, first assume this is as equation number 1. First we have need of cosec 45 degree. As we know, cosec 45 degree is the opposite of sin 45 degree, and value of sin 45 degree is equal to 1 by root 2. That's why cosec 45 is equal to root 2. Again we need sec 30 degree. What is the value of sec 30 degree? That is given as 2 upon root 3, the opposite of cos 30 degree. In the next we need value of sin 90 degree. What is the value of sin 90? That is equal to 1. In the next, cos 60 degree, and value of cos 60 degree is equal to 1 by 2. So all values are given as. Then substitute all the values in equation number 1 from equation 1. We have LHS is equal to, we can write cosec square 45 degree as square of cosec 45 degree. Again we can write square of sec square 30 degree, that we can write square of sec 30 degree. In the next, here we can write cube of sin 90 degree, and again the function remaining cos 60 degree. Okay, first substitute all the values. What is the value of cosec 45 degree? That is root 2, and we have square of root 2, that is multiplied by sec 30, that is given as 2 upon root 3, square of 2 upon root 3. In the next we have sin 90 cube, it means cube of 1, and in the next we have cos 60 degree, that is equal to 1 by 2. In the next, first we have to solve this one, and we know square of root 2, that is given as 2, multiplied by square of 2, that is 4, divided by square of root 3, that is 3, and into cube of 1, that is always 1. As we know, if we make any power of 1, then the obtained value will also equal to 1, always equal to 1. In the next we need here the value 1 by 2. As you can see here, 2 is cancelled by this 2, and in the next 4 into 1, that is 4, that is divided by 3, that is the RHS. Hence proved. You should write. Next question, question number 16. Question number 16 given as that is given as sine 60 degree plus sine 30 degree, that is divided by sine 60 degree minus sine 30 degree, and we have to prove that this side will be equal to this side. It means equal to tan 60 degree plus tan 45 degree upon tan 60 degree minus tan 45 degree. Okay, then first we have to take LHS from question number 16. From LHS, by taking LHS, that is given as LHS is equal to sine 60 degree, that is divided. Okay, first we have to put all the values of the functions from the table before taking sides. We know that what is the value of sine 60 degree, that is equal to root 3 by 2. Again, what value of sine 30 degree, that is equal to 1 by 2. Value of tan 60 degree, that is equal to root 3, and value of tan 45 degree, that is equal to 1. All the values we have. Then by using these values we have to prove two sides equal. Then first we are taking by taking LHS, that is given as LHS is equal to what is given, sine 60 degree, that added sine 30 degree, and that is divided by sine 60 degree minus sine 30 degree. Okay, first we have to substitute all the values. As we know, value of sine 60 degree is equal to root 3 by 2 plus value of sine 30 degree, that is 1 by 2 upon value of sine 60 degree, that is again root 3 by 2, and minus here the sine of sine 30 degree, the value of sine 30 degree, that is equal to 1 by 2. As we can see, in the numerator part we have 2 as LCM, that's why we will get root 3 plus 1, that is divided by 2. Again in denominator we have again 2 as LCM, that's why we are taking 2 as LCM, and again the part remaining is root 3 minus 1. As you can clearly see, 2 is cancelled by this 2, that's why we are getting root 3 plus 1, that is divided by root 3 minus 1. Equation number 1. Again we have to find the value in RHS by taking RHS. We have two type of methods from here. If we want to prove from this side to this side, as we know value of what is the value where the value of tan theta is equal to root 3, that is given as tan 60 degree. Again value of 1 where the value of tan theta is equal to 1, that is tan 45 degree. Then if we directly substitute the angle of root 3, that is tan 60 degree plus tan 45 degree upon tan 60 degree minus tan 45 degree, that we can prove. But we are taking the another method. We are taking both sides and we are going to find all the values of RHS and LHS, and then we will prove the value of both sides will be equal to. Okay, Then by taking RHS is equal to tan 60 degree plus tan 45 degree, that is divided by tan 60 degree minus tan 45 degree. As we can clearly see, what is the value of tan 60 degree? That is given as root 3 plus value of tan 45 degree, that is equal to 1, that is divided by tan 60 degree, that is equal to root 3 and minus 1. This is the equation number 2. From equation number 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2, as we can see, both sides are equal from equation number 1 and equation number 2. That's why we can say LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved. Okay, you should write down. Then the next question, we have question number 16. Question number 16 given as question number 17. We have first we have to take all the values, then first write down. Okay, as you can see, we have to prove this side equal to 6. It means there is the value we need to find, and here the given functions are trigonometric ratios. Then first we are taking one side as LHS by taking LHS, and LHS is equal to given as 2 into cosec square 45 degree plus tan square 60 degree minus 6 into sine square 45 degree and minus tan square 30 degree. That is given. Equation number 1. First we have to find the values of trigonometric ratios given in the question number 17. As we know, since we know that value of cos 45 degree, that is given as 1 by root 2. Again, value of tan 60 degree, that is given as root 3. Value of sine 45 degree, that is given as 1 by root 2. And value of tan 30 degree, that is given as 1 by root 3. Then from equation 1, we have LHS is equal to, here first solve or first simplify the given equation number 1. Here you can see here cos square 45 degree, and how we can write? We can write as square of cos 45 degree. Square of cos 45 degree. In the next, square of tan 60 degree. Then minus 6 into square of sine 45 degree and minus square of tan 30 degree. Okay, then again we will substitute all the values as we need in the question. Here 2 is multiplied by the value of cos 45 degree, that is equal to 1 by root 2, and square of 1 by root 2. Again we need the value of tan 60 degree, that is given as root 3, square of root 3. In the next part we have value of sine 45 degree, that is equal to 1 by root 2. Then we have to write square of 1 by root 2 and minus value of tan 30 degree, that is given as 1 by root 3. Then square of 1 by root 3. Again by simplifying this step, we have 2 into the square of 1, that is 1, square of root 2, that is equal to 2. Okay, plus square of root 3, that is given as 3, minus 6 into, again we can write 1 by 2 minus Square of 1, that is 1. Square of root 3, that is 3. Again we can solve 2 into by taking LCM. Here we can see the LCM is taken as 2. Then we have 1 plus 2 is multiplied by 3. That's why we have 6. That is divided by 2. Minus 6 into. Here LCM will be 6. LCM will be 6. 2 into 3. And 1 is multiplied by 3. That means we have 3. That is minus. And 2 is multiplied by 1. That is 2. Again we have, as you can see, 2 is cancelled by this 2, 2 is cancelled by this 2, that means we have 6 plus 1, it means 7, minus, here we can see 6 is cancelled by this 6, here we have 3 minus 2, that is equal to 1, that is equal to 6, and we have the obtained result as RHS equal to 6, that's why we can write as equal to RHS, hence proved. You should write down the next question, question number 18. Question number 18, we have question number 18 given as we have to prove one side equal to 10. It means this is LHS and this is RHS, and we have to take the side LHS and we have to prove the LHS is equal to 10, that is equal to RHS. Then first we need all the values of trigonometric ratios. As we can see here, we need the value of sin 30 degree, in the next we need cosec 45 degree, in the next we need cos 60 degree, sin 90 degree, and last one is tan 45 degree. Then first we have to find, since we know that value of sec 30 degree, that is given as 2 upon root 3. As we know, sec 30 degree is the opposite of cos 30 degree, and value of cos 30 degree is equal to root 3 by 2. That's why we have sec 30 degree equal to 2 upon root 3. In the next, we need value of cosec 45 degree, that is equal to root 2, opposite of sin 45 degree. In the next, we need cos 60 degree, and we have value of cos 60 degree is equal to 1 by 2. In the next, we need sin 90 degree. From seeing in the table, you can see value of sin 90 degree is equal to 1. In the next, we have value of tan 45 degree is equal to 1. Okay, then again in the next step, by taking LHS, and LHS is equal to given as, okay, you can see here we have sec square 30 degree. Okay, we are solving this. Okay, then first you have to see here sec square 30, that can be written in terms of square of sec 30 degree, square of sec 30 degree. Again, next step, we have cosec square 45 degree, that we can write square of cosec 45 degree. Again in the next step into, okay, here you can write the same as given in the question, 2 cos 60 degree plus sin 90 degree and plus tan 45 degree. Okay, then we have to substitute all the values as we need in the question, as we have to put up the value of sec 30, and the value of sec 30 is given as 2 upon root 3. 2 upon root 3. Then we can write square of 2 upon root 3 plus, in the next we need cosec 45 degree. The value of cosec 45 degree is equal to root 2. Then we have square of root 2. The one step is solved. Again, the second term is given as 2 is multiplied by cosec 60, and value of cosec 60 is equal to 1 by 2 plus value of sin 90, that is equal to 1, plus value of tan 45 degree, that is given as equal to 1. In the next step we have square of 2, that is given as 4, that is divided by square of root 3, that is 3. In the next step we can write square of root 2, that is 2. Okay. In the next step you can see 2 is cancelled by this 2, that's why we have 1 plus 1 plus 1. That we can write here, we can take LCM as 3, then we have in the first step we have LCM as 3, and here we have remaining 4. In the next part we can write 2 is multiplied by 6, that's why we have 6. Sorry, 2 is multiplied by 3, that's why we have 6. In the next step you can see 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is equal to 3. And again you can see 3 is cancelled by this 3. That's why we have 6 plus 4, that is equal to 10. It means we have this side equal to RHS. Hence proved. You can write. Okay, question number 19. Question number 19, we have first you have to see, we have to prove this side taken as LHS and equal to this side as RHS. First we have to take the side LHS and we have to prove the another side RHS. And in the LHS we can see here we need the values of sine 45 degree, sine 30 degree, cos 45 degree and cos 60 degree, and we can see, as we know, since we know that sine 45 degree is equal to 1 by root 2, sine 30 degree that is equal to 1 by 2. In the next, cos 45 degree that is equal to 1 by root 2 and cos 60 degree, and we can write 1 by 2. Okay, then by taking LHS, that is equal to LHS is equal to 1 minus sine 45 degree plus sine 30 degree, that is multiplied by 1 plus cos 45 degree and plus cos 60 degree, sorry, okay, plus cos 60 degree. Then again in the next step we can write 1 minus, what is the value of sine 45 degree? That is equal to 1 by root 2. Again in the next step we have to write sine 30 degree, that is equal to 1 by 2. Again the next step 1 plus 1 by root 2 and plus 1 by 2. All the values we have substituted. In the next step we have to solve. Okay, take this one to this 1 by 2. Then we can write 1 plus 1 by 2. We are taking this one and this one to together. Okay. In the next time we can write 1 upon root 2. In the next step we have 1 and plus 1 by 2, as we are taking both sides together, and again the remaining part is 1 by root 2. Okay. In the next step we can write 1 plus 1 by 2. It means 1 and half, that is equal to 3 by 2 minus 1 by root 2, that is multiplied by here 1 plus half, that is equal to 3 by 2 and plus 1 by root 2. Okay. In the next part we can see here the formula what we have, that is taken as A, that I am taking as A and that I am taking as B. It means A minus B into A plus B, and that we know the formula is given as A square minus B square. That's why we have A square. It means square of 3 by 2. It means we can write square of 3 by 2 minus B square. B square means square of 1 by 2. That we can write square of 3, that is 9 that is divided by square of 2, that is 4, minus square of 1, that is equal to 1, and divided by square of root 2, that is 2. We have 4 as LCM. As we know, which one is greater value? As we can see, LCM as taken as 4, that can be divided by itself, and 4 is again divided by 2. That's why we are taking 4 as LCM. Then we have 9 here, because we will divide this 4 by this 4, and we have 1, and 1 will be multiplied by 9. Okay, then here 9 minus, here again you can see that this 4 is divided by this 2, and we will obtain 2. That's why we have to multiply that 2 by 1. That means we can write 2 into 1. That's why we have 9 minus 2, that is divided by 4. We have 9 minus 2, it means 7, that is divided by 4. That is equal to RHS. Hence proved. You can write. Okay. The last question number 20. We have question number 20. We have to prove this side to this side, and as we can see here, the functions given in terms of trigonometric ratios. Again, in the right side we have also trigonometric ratios. That's why we will solve both sides separately, and then when we from both sides we have to prove that this side is equal to this side. First we have to substitute all the values, and from the table we can see, since we know that cos 0 degree, that is equal to 1, cot 30 degree, that is equal to, okay, see, cot 30 degree is equal to root 3, just because of this is the opposite of tan 30 degree. As we can see, tan 30 degree is equal to 1 by root 3. That's why we have cot 30 degree is equal to root 3. In the next step we have cosec 90 degree, that is equal to 1. In the next step we have sec 45 degree, that is equal to, okay, see, as we know, sec 45 degree the opposite of cos 45 degree, and we have the value of cos 45 degree is equal to 1 by root 2. That's why we have root 2 the value of sec 45 degree. And again we have tan 60 degree. As we know, value of tan 60 degree is equal to root 3. Okay, by taking LHS, as we have LHS is equal to cos square 0 degree minus 2 cot square 30 degree plus 3 cosec square 90 degree. Okay, this is taken as LHS, and we have to substitute all the values. First we have to solve this, simplify this step. As we can write here cos square of 0 degree, that means we can write square of cos 0 degree. In the next we can write square of cot 30 degree. In the next we can write 3 into square of cosec 90 degree. That's why we have, what is the value of cos 0 degree? That is equal to 1, square of 1 minus 2 into root 3 square and plus 3 into 1 square. That's why we have 1 minus 2 into square of root 3, that is given as 3, plus 3 into 1. That's why we have 1 minus 6 plus 3. It means we have 3 plus 1, 4. 4 minus 6, that is equal to minus 2. Equation number 1. Again, by taking equation number 2, by taking RHS, and we have RHS is equal to 2 sec square 45 degree minus tan square 60 degree. We can write 2 into, as we can write sec 45 degree, square of sec 45 degree minus square of tan 60 degree. In the next step, we can write 2 into sec 45 degree. What is the value of sec 45 degree? As we can see, that is root 2, and we have square of root 2 minus tan 60 degree, that we have root 3 square of root 3. Then again we can see 2 into, here square of root 2, that is given as 2, minus square of root 3, that is given as 3. It means we have 2 into 2 minus 3, that is equal to minus 1. It means we have to multiply 2 by minus 1. That's why we will find 2. Okay, that is equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2, we can write LHS is equal to RHS. Hence proved. Okay, today we have discussed from question number 15 to up to question number 20. Okay, you have to try to solve again these questions at your home, and if you have any doubt, you can ask me directly. Okay, thank you.